Hi, this is Rashmi Jagadeesh, a student of NIQC International Bangalore. I'm uploading this video for DN Business Excellence Award 2020. Please do watch, like, share and comment. Thank you.
In this video, you will see how a small change in approach brings a big impact of reducing dependency, manual effort, and time utilized. So now let's begin to understand the project overview. So here, this project is to reduce the dependency, manual effort of a team member in extracting a report and time taken to do this activity. And here, we've used PDCA methodology to bring in the change. And PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act. And the results were amazing. And we saw a successful automation. Time utilized to extract the report was reduced drastically from 30 minutes to 5 minutes. And there was no dependency on any team member or a lead to do this activity. So now let's go through the steps individually to see how we executed this. So first thing to understand is to identify the problem. So we first identified the problem, which resulted in planning what to do. We brought in the improvement plans and made some points to see how we can improvise. And then we created a plan of action. The second step was to bring in the action mode on it. So that is nothing but do. So we involved every team member and executed the plan. The third step was to check if this worked. So we analyzed to see if everything went as per the plan of action and identify if it worked. If yes, then hooray, the problem solved. If not, then we need to reflect on what change can be brought in to restart the cycle. So now let's begin to see if our project worked or did we restart the overall process again. As we know, the problem was extraction of a report which involved manual effort and dependency of a person along with time utilized. So we now have identified the actual problem. Now plan for improvement. Automating the report was the plan of improvement. And how did we bring the change? We first analyzed the capability of the tool to see if automation can be brought in. And then we cross-checked on the time capturing for the overall execution. And then we set the guidelines on the tool to automate the report. As you see here, the overall report looks exactly like this. And then we came up with do, where we actually tested the potential solutions and we executed as we planned. The automation actually worked successful and we were able to pull the report auto-generated, and the modifications of subdivisions actually took place. The overall report was executed with automation and with immediate effect. And if you can notice, from the previous slide to this slide, you will see a bifurcated automated report reflected. Then what did we do? We went through to see and analyze if the overall data was accurate. That's where we brought in the check. The checklist, what we call it as. So here we analyze the data to see if the automated report and the manual report was same. And we identified that we can bring in some more improvement on it. And we added few additional fields with few formulas to assist the team prioritize their work and also reflect the date of submission of the report. And then the validation analysis of the overall report was successful. As the overall plan, do, and check worked well for us, so we brought in the action on it, which is nothing but act. We executed the report successfully. which saved a lot of time and a manual effort, and there was no dependency on any leader or a team member to extract the report. We also updated the standard operating procedures. By this, we brought a lot of improvement and efficient way to work without any dependency. Thank you.